Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Hugo. I am not French, however, I love the French language. I'm going to do 41 basic lessons of this book. The Berlitz Self-Teacher French. This book is from 1976. I believe it's the second version. Most of my videos going forward, in fact, are going to be in French. But I'm going to give you, for today, lesson 1, basically what I'm doing is going over each chapter. And if you look at it, it identifies the lesson. It is in French, phonetically sound in French, and then it tells you in English. So it's very simple. The reason I'm doing this quickly is because I'm holding myself accountable. If I don't do it this way, nobody knows that I want to learn French, that I know basic conversation French. But I'm doing this, hopefully it helps you, but first and foremost, to hold myself accountable. So 41 lessons, 41 videos. Let's get this started. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is it? What is this? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? Le crayon is the pencil. Le livre, le papier, la plume, le crayon. So let me start all over. Le crayon is the pencil. Le livre, the book. Le papier, le papier, the paper. La plume is the pen. La boîte, the box. La clé is the key. Est le crayon? So it's asking you, there's a question at the end, question mark. Est le crayon? Is this the pencil? Oui, monsieur, c'est le crayon. C'est le crayon. Oui, monsieur, c'est le crayon. Yes, mister, it is. Yes, sir, it is the pencil. Le crayon. In Spanish, crayon, because I speak Spanish, crayon is a crayon. But in French, le crayon is a pencil. La plume is the pen. Est la boîte? So it's asking, is it the box? Est la boîte? No, monsieur. And let me look at the time. No, monsieur, ce n'est pas la boîte, c'est le crayon. Basically, what I'm saying there is, no, sir, it is not the box, it is the pencil. No, monsieur, ce n'est pas la boîte, c'est le crayon. These are just going to be a few pages per chapter. Moving on to the next words. La chaise is the chair. La lampe. The lamp, la table, the table. Est la lampe? So they're asking, est la lampe? Is it the lamp? Le tableau is the picture. La porte, the door. In Spanish, la puerta. La fenêtre, the window, which you can't see here. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est la table, la porte, le mur, etc. Le mur is the wall. So it's asking, or it's saying, c'est la table. It is the picture. La porte is the door. Le mur. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Très bien, monsieur. And then it's counting through 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the end of each chapter, it's called Thinking in French. And we're almost done. So it's asking you some questions and it makes you think. Est le livre? So here's some questions and here's some pictures. Est le livre? But it's a question. Is it the book? Est le crayon? Remember, crayon is pencil. Est la table? Is it the table? Qu'est-ce que c'est? So it's asking you again. And there's a picture, so you say, qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est le livre. It's the book. So moving on to the next. Est la boîte? And there's a picture. There is a box there. Is it the box? Est la fenêtre? Fenêtre is window. It's asking you, is it the window? Est la porte? Qu'est-ce que c'est? So there are 20 questions. We're just done with 8. And the next one, est la clé? Clé, which is key. Est la chaise? Chaise is chair. Es la lampe. There's a lamp right behind me. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? What is it? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Es le crayon? Es la boîte? Es la clé? Qu'est-ce que c'est? And then the last four, or the last three, es la table? Es la chaise? The chair. Es la porte? Qu'est-ce que c'est? That is how short these chapters are. So now we move on to lesson 2 in the next video. But this is my intro. It's a little bit fast. The other 40 chapters are going to be slower. Again, going forward, I will not be speaking a lot of English. I know conversational French. I've learned it many years ago, but I need practice. I don't have the opportunity to speak with with French people, so my practice needs a lot of improvement. When I go to France, I can have a basic conversation. I can read in French. I can speak basic conversation, but when I listen to someone and they go so fast, it's very difficult for me to understand that accent. This is chapter 1, leçon 1. Je m'appelle Hugo, j'habite ici dans les États-Unis. J'aime la langue française. Je parle anglais, l'espagnol et un petit peu de français. Au revoir.